Here's how some recent changes to legal policy could affect Vietnamese immigrants in the New Orleans area. People who are at risk of deportation for any reason, whether they got their green card revoked because they had a criminal conviction, whether they didn't follow immigration policy in the first place, whether their visa expired, used to not really have to worry if they were from Vietnam. The Vietnamese government did not issue travel documents to people who came to the U.S. before 1995. A lot of Vietnamese immigrants in New Orleans got here before 1995. They were refugees in the aftermath of the Vietnam War. In 2020, the U.S. and Vietnam agreed to what's called a Memorandum of Understanding that Vietnam would start creating a process by which ICE could deport people back to Vietnam. It's been slow, but Vietnam has started issuing travel documents to some Vietnamese immigrants from the U.S. In September, The Guardian reported that 93 Vietnamese immigrants with criminal records had been deported back to Vietnam on a single flight from the U.S. Now, granted, this does apply to a relatively small number of people, but it's not just a hypothetical. I talked to a local immigration attorney who said since Operation Swamp Sweep was announced, he's gotten a few new Vietnamese clients.
Normally, they would know they would never get deported, but now the situation has changed.